Masha woke up in her cozy bed, stretched her arms, and let out a big yawn. She jumped out of bed and ran to the kitchen, where her mom was already preparing breakfast. "Good morning, my sweet girl," Mom said with a warm smile. "Good morning, Mommy," Masha replied, climbing onto her chair at the table. On the table, there were warm pancakes with honey and a glass of milk. Masha eagerly started eating when Mom suddenly asked, "Masha, did you brush your teeth?" "Oh, I forgot," Masha said quickly, taking another bite. "You need to brush your teeth every morning and every night," Mom reminded her. "But brushing teeth is so boring," Masha sighed. All day, Masha played outside, ran around with her friends, and completely forgot about brushing her teeth. In the evening, when it was time for bed, Mom called out, "Masha, it's time to brush your teeth. But I'm so tired. Can I skip it just this once?" Masha asked, rubbing her sleepy eyes. "If you don't brush your teeth, they might get sick," Mom warned. But Masha was already snuggled under her blanket. "I'll brush them in the morning, I promise," she mumbled as she closed her eyes. As soon as she fell asleep, something magical happened. A soft blue glow filled her room. Out of nowhere, a tiny sparkling fairy appeared, her wings shimmering like stars. "Hello, Masha," the fairy said in a gentle voice. Masha sat up in bed, wide-eyed. "Who are you?" she asked in surprise. "I am the Tooth Fairy. I visit children who forget to brush their teeth," the fairy explained. "Oh, I forgot today. But that's not a big deal, right?" Masha asked. "Let's find out," the fairy said, waving her glowing wand. Suddenly, Masha's room disappeared, and she found herself in a giant magical kingdom made of teeth. Around her were tiny white house teeth. They were shiny and clean at first, but then something started to change. Dark little spots appeared on some of the teeth. "What's happening?" Masha asked, feeling a little worried. "This is called a cavity. It happens when teeth aren't brushed properly," the fairy explained. Suddenly, tiny, sticky creatures appeared out of nowhere. They were dark, slimy, and had glowing yellow eyes. "These are germ monsters. They love eating leftover food on teeth that aren't brushed." The fairy sighed. Masha gasped as the germ monsters started jumping onto the teeth, making the dark spots grow bigger. "Oh no, we have to stop them," Masha shouted. "Here's your helper," the fairy said with a smile, waving her wand. A giant, friendly toothbrush suddenly appeared in front of Masha. It had big, cheerful eyes and wiggled excitedly. "Hi, Masha. Let's save the teeth," the toothbrush said in a happy voice. "Let's do it," Masha cheered. She grabbed the toothbrush, and it started moving in circles, brushing away the dark spots. Magical toothpaste covered the teeth, washing away the sticky germs. The germ monsters started running and screaming, "No, we're being washed away!" But it was too late. The toothpaste and toothbrush cleaned every single tooth until they sparkled again. "Yay! We saved them!" Masha shouted. "All thanks to the toothbrush," the fairy smiled. "I will never forget to brush my teeth again," Masha promised. Suddenly, everything disappeared, and Masha was back in her bed. She opened her eyes and looked around. The morning sunlight filled her room. "Was that a dream? Or was it real?" she whispered. She jumped out of bed and ran to the bathroom. Her toothbrush was waiting for her. "Good morning, Masha," Mom called. "Good morning, Mommy. I'm going to brush my teeth," Masha said happily. She squeezed some toothpaste onto her toothbrush and began brushing carefully. Up and down, round and round, she cleaned every tooth, just like in her dream. Mom peeked into the bathroom and smiled. "Good job, Masha. Now your teeth will stay healthy and strong." "Mommy, did you know that teeth are alive and need protection?" "Of course," Mom nodded. "And if we don't brush them, tiny germs will come and try to make them sick," Masha added. "You remembered everything perfectly," Mom said proudly. Masha rinsed her mouth and smiled at herself in the mirror. Her teeth were bright and shiny. "Now I'll brush my teeth twice a day, every day." "That's the right thing to do, my smart girl," Mom said, hugging her. When we eat, little pieces of food stay on our teeth. If we don't clean them, tiny germs start to grow. These germs love sugary food and can create cavities. Cavities make our teeth weak and can even make them hurt. Brushing teeth in the morning and before bed helps keep them clean. Toothpaste removes food and protects teeth from germs. A toothbrush gently scrubs away plaque and keeps teeth strong. If we take care of our teeth, we will always have a bright, healthy smile. Going to the dentist can be scary, so it's better to prevent cavities. Brushing and flossing help our teeth stay clean and happy. Eating healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and milk also makes teeth strong. Too much candy can hurt our teeth, so we must be careful. Masha learned how important brushing is. And now, do you remember to brush your teeth every day? If not, grab your toothbrush now. Your teeth will be so happy. Clean teeth are strong teeth, and a bright smile makes everyone happy. Let's brush every day, so our teeth stay healthy and strong, just like Masha's. She never forgets now, because brushing teeth is fun and healthy, and the tooth fairy is always proud of those who take care of their teeth. Let's all brush our teeth and smile. Ah!